Crashes like this are what many of us think of when we hear the name Insurance Institute for Highway Safety. The nonprofit, funded by automotive insurance companies, wrecks vehicles at a facility near Charlottesville to learn how drivers might be impacted by a variety of accidents.
The research we do here has a direct impact on safety on the roads today.
Their research isn't just limited to crash tests. Some of their work involves helping drivers avoid crashes altogether.
Over the last few years, we've seen a lot more of the systems that help prevent drivers from getting in crashes in the first place.
David Ayler is manager of the IIHS Active Safety Testing Program, which researches features on new cars that are designed to prevent collisions. In the last 10 years, many automakers have introduced technology that can see objects in front of or behind a car and automatically stop the vehicle.
You're going to drive at our target down there at about 15 miles an hour.
I tried out the features on the Insurance Institute's test track.
So I don't do anything. I just let the car head toward the target.
Yep.
As we drove toward an object at a low speed, our vehicle applied the brakes seconds before impact.
Interesting.
Other safety features are designed to keep drivers from veering into other moving vehicles or leaving the road.
So now I'm in what they call auto steer.
Technology like this lane assist feature on the Tesla Model S can read markings on the pavement and partially steer the car to prevent drivers from leaving their intended path.
Now this is designed to assist the driver. This is not technology that's supposed to be used to drive the car itself.
Absolutely. So this will, follow other vehicles, and it will maintain your position in the lane, but it's not a replacement for an actual driver.
Some lane assist technology will apply the car's brakes if the driver starts to drift. Features like this are common right now on high-end luxury cars.
So this is about a $100,000 car. This is not something most of us could afford. Is this technology available on cars that are more affordable?
Yeah, so we're starting to see lane assist technology on more mainstream models.
Many vehicles can set off an alarm when the car veers out of its lane, but it's up to the driver to steer back into place. Ayler says features like automatic braking to prevent front-end crashes will become common on a wide selection of vehicles within the next 5 years.
There's a voluntary commitment by most of the manufacturers that it will be standard by 2022.
Also becoming widely available are these lights, appearing in rear-view mirrors to alert drivers when a vehicle is in their blind spot.
They help you detect if there's a vehicle in your blind spot and will warn you if you try to change the lane.
Adaptive cruise control features use sensors to maintain speed and automatically slow down when necessary to keep cars a safe distance away from other vehicles. Dynamic headlights can pivot as drivers navigate winding roads. And many cars now come equipped with backup cameras and sensors that alert drivers to surrounding objects and, in some cases, stop the car to avoid a collision.
We're seeing more of these systems available on cars.
That's thanks, at least in part, to the testing that happens at the IIHS. Automakers value the ratings assigned by the agency and want to receive high marks for their safety features.
Because we rate them and we evaluate them, we started to see them becoming optional on more vehicles.
Since the introduction of crash avoidance technology, researchers at the IIHS say they've noticed a decline in certain types of fender benders.
When we look at police-reported crashes, we're seeing about a reduction of 50% in front-to-rear crashes,
creating safer conditions on the road. And for the Insurance Institute's researchers, they hope it will lead to fewer crashes like the ones they so often evaluate. In Greene County, Tim Saunders, WDBJ 7.